When shopping for over-the-ear styled headphones, consumers typically know that there's going to be an extra premium if they're looking for something that's accompanied with noise cancellation. Usually it's a couple $100s for a decent pair, but what if we told you that you could pick one up on the cheap, like for a mere $80? You'd probably think we're joking, but that's the cost for the Soundcore Life 2 by Anker. So yeah, these over-the-ear headphones feature noise cancellation, which can quickly be activated by the push of the dedicated noise cancellation button that's fashioned into the left ear cup. Now, as much we're delighted by this, just know that it's a bit weak. Even with the plush cushion and snug fit around the headband and ear cups, there's already a subtle level of noise isolation when they're worn. However, the noise cancellation feature does very little to cancel out ambient noise. Even though it technically does tone down some of the noise, it's nowhere as deep or effective as some other big name headphones out there. Take for example the Bang & Olufsen Beoplay H9i, which feels as though we're wearing construction grade earmuffs. You know, that feeling like your ears are being suctioned. We really don't get that kind of feeling when using the noise cancellation feature with the Soundcore Life 2. Despite that, however, we'll admit that the audio quality has a good punchy tone. It's not overly bass heavy like some other headphones, allowing audio in the mid and high ranges to be discernible. On top of that, we do appreciate that it features onboard controls for pause, play, and volume adjustment. It has 30 hours of battery life with active noise cancellation on, and comes included with a handy hard shell traveling case. With a price point of $80, the Soundcore Life 2 by Anker will certainly attract people who are on a tight budget, especially with the promise of noise cancellation. But there's no hiding the ineffectiveness of the feature, indicating why there's such a huge separation in price against other brands. Even the overall construction is indicative of its price. With its mostly plastic construction, it's undeniable that we're dealing with a budget option. And that is it for a quick hands-on look here at the Soundcore Life 2 by Anker. If you guys want to learn more about it, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.